everyone, it's Billy. Welcome or welcome back to my channel where I test in affordable beauty products or drugstore beauty products. So today's video is going to be another Valentine's makeup look for a nighttime look, and against this makeup look I'm using affordable beauty products. And yes, if you guys would like to know how I create this look, please keep on watching. Already primed my eyes using Tooface Shadow Insurance, and also I comb my eyelashes using the Shiseido Eyelash and do my waterline with eyeliner pencil in black. For the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to start today, it's from Makeup Revolution Fusion Foil Fusion. So this one is also my 2020 favorites as well, and as you can see I love all of these shades and use pretty much from this palette. So for the first colour that I'm going to use, it's going to be this colour right here. It's just like shimmering foil sort of shade that I'm going to do a kind of like spotlight eye look. And another eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use today, also from Makeup Revolution, self-collaborate with Revolution. As you already know, I love these palettes so much. So the colour that I'm going to use today is just something like matte brown colour, which is chocolate orange, which is this colour, and cheesecake, which is also a little bit darker. I'm going to put on inner corner and outer corner of my eyes, kind of like a spotlight eye look. And another colour that I'm going to put it on my crease, I'm going to use Vitamin C, Sweet and Salt and Running Late. It's just something like a little bit orange, soft matte orange mixed with yellow. So I'm going to blend every colour together and then I'll be right back. Then it's a time for Makeup Revolution Foil Fusion palette, and yes, I'm going to use this colour right here, which is kind of like shimmering colour, and put it on my kind of like center of my eyelid where I clean all of it out. Then I'm going back to first brown colour that we used at the first time. So it's going to be a chocolate orange and cheesecake. Mix it together again and put it in inner corner and outer corner of my eyes again and blend everything together. Again, I'm going to finish the rest of my eye off camera, and this is my eye makeup look. It's easy and simple. I'm pretty sure that you can do it too. So for the eyeliner, I'm going to use the same, which is Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner and Royale Paradise Mascara. And this is my eye makeup look. It's really easy, simple. I'm now moving on to my face. I'm going to use Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I know that it's going to be a really, maybe it's a long night for you, maybe it's not, but I'm pretty sure that you might take a photo, and of course everything needs to be really smooth and flawless. That's why I'm using this foundation. And then follow with Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finish Powder. I also finished my eyebrow off camera because I don't want to take this video too long. So I'm using Anastasia Duo Brow Powder, followed with this collection Incredible tinted brown mascara, and also using these Roxy palette for my contour and highlights. And the another product that I love recently, it's from Royal L'Abeille a brush. I'm sorry, my French is not that good enough. So it's in number 8, and I really love this one. It's really pigmented and it's really smooth. It's just like peachy, kind of like peachy, smooth, a little bit pink, which I love. And it has a little bit of like sheen highlights as well, which I like. It doesn't make my face look like a disco ball, which I love, and blend it really beautifully. And as you can see, it's, you know, pigmented, and I love it, and it's affordable. And the last step will be my lips, and today I'm going to use L'Oreal. I can't remember this version, but I'm going to put every product that I use today in the description box. So today using this L'Oreal, which is 136. This is my Valentine's Day look for a nighttime look. So what are you guys thinking? Again, if you have any affordable beauty products that you want me to test, you could leave in a comment below, and I will pick one of your idea or one of your favorite affordable beauty products and create a video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video. Bye!